Hello students. Yesterday we have discussed about the introduction of electrochemistry, in which we discussed about the electrochemical cell and galvanic cell. Okay. So today we have discussed the function of salt bridge also. Okay, salt bridge. And today we will discuss next topic, that is cell representation. This is very important. Cell representation. Okay, how we will represent a cell, because every time we cannot draw the structure, this one na. Okay, so we cannot draw this structure, so we are using short method. Now let's discuss the cell representation. Okay, first of all student, you know that this is anode, this is cathode. Oxidation occur here, reduction here, oxidation, and here reduction occurs. Okay, so this is zinc rod. Yesterday I took here silver rod. Okay, copper, sorry, and here silver, but here I am using copper rod. Okay, so how we will represent the cell? Just draw these two parallel line. These two parallel line indicate the salt bridge, this one. Okay, so left to this salt bridge, anode is there at which oxidation is there. Okay, so how does oxidation will occur? If zinc rod is there, then it will lose its 2 electron, that is zinc will be converted into zinc 2 positive ion. Okay, one thing. Second thing, this is salt bridge. Just look here, what is the metal? You will write the name of that metal. Oblique. What is the ions? This is zinc 2 positive ion. And what is the concentration of this ion? 1 molar. Okay, so you can say zinc has converted into zinc 2 positive, like this. Okay, and to the left hand side of this salt bridge, what is the ion? Copper 2 positive. Copper 2 positive. Here copper 2 positive, and concentration of copper 2 positive is again 1 molar. And this copper 2 positive converted into neutral copper, that is rod, because it is deposited at rod. Yesterday we discussed that here was the silver was depositing at cathode. Okay, and zinc was coming into the solution. So zinc was converting into zinc 2 positive. Okay, and silver was converting into silver. Okay, silver positive was converting into silver. Yesterday I told you, but today copper 2 positive is converting into copper and zinc is converting into zinc 2 positive. So this is a student cell representation. What is this? For more, just take another example here. Not this one. This one. Okay, so what is here? To this left hand side, this is salt bridge. Okay, this is what? Zinc. So it will be converted into zinc 2 positive ion, and concentration of zinc 2 positive ion, this one 1 molar. Okay, now look here, what is happening? Hydrogen gas is there. So hydrogen gas reduction will occur. H2 will be converted into H2. Reverse कर देंगे reaction को. So 2H ion will be converted into H2. Okay, and what is the concentration? 1 atm. So because hydrogen gas will exert the pressure, here we will not take the concentration, we will take its concentration in pressure, 1 atm. This is cell representation, simple. Okay, so I hope you have understand this cell representation. Now I have told you about the oxidation potential and reduction potential. Now today we will discuss as well as how we will calculate the EMF of the cell. EMF is the reduction potential of cathode and reduction potential of anode. Difference of the reduction potential of cathode to the reduction potential of anode. And we know that cathode is always on right hand side and anode is always on left hand side. Okay, so now come to the topic, that is standard hydrogen electrode. So here student, you are looking like this. A beaker is there in which a tube is there, or you can say another beaker is there, special type beaker. A tube is hanged here, mercury is there, this is mercury. A copper wire is coming outside, and from the bottom is platinum foil is hanged. It is what? Platinum foil, or you can say platinum foil or platinum black. Okay, so what will happen, student, when this platinum black is dipped into the HCl solution whose concentration is 1 molar. Okay, and hydrogen gas is bubbled through this solution. Hydrogen gas is bubbled through this solution at 180 mbar. Then reduction potential or oxidation potential of this cell comes 0.0 volt. कितना आता है इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन और लूज करने की पावर, वो कितनी होती है? 0 वोल्ट. बट यू विल नॉट से कि इसकी कोई पावर ही नहीं है, बिकॉज पावर नेगेटिव में भी होती है, लाइक -0.76 वोल्ट. सो इट इज ऑल लेस देन द कॉपर हाइड्रोजन. So you will keep in mind that this is not the lowest value. Reduction potential is also in the negative form. Okay, so now read the definition. What is standard reduction potential, standard hydrogen cell? So student, the absolute value of electrode potential of a single electrode is determined with the help of reference electrode. So generally student, one more thing is here. Generally this cell, that is hydrogen electrode cell, is also used to determine the reduction potential of the cell. Reduction potential of the cell. How? Look here. Here two cells are there. Two cells are there. First zinc, second hydrogen, about which we are discussing. So how I came to know its reduction potential is -0.6. ये मुझे कैसे पता चला कि इसका reduction potential -0.6 है? Okay, yesterday I told you that reduction potential of silver positive over silver is 0.80. तो मुझे कैसे पता चला कि ये 0.80 है? So reduction potential of a cell is determined with the help of She, standard hydrogen electrode. इससे मेजरमेंट करते हैं हम. तो हमें ये समझना चाहिए ये एक्चुअल में है क्या. Okay, so what is the construction of this cell? It consists of a platinum wire sealed in a glass tube. This one, this glass tube, ये वाली जो मैंने आपको बताई थी, हटा देता हूँ मैं. Let's see. Okay, and has a platinum foil attached to it. This one, platinum foil. It is coated with finely divided platinum and platinum electrode is dipped into 1 molar HCl. इस 1 molar HCl solution में हमने dip कर दी है. Okay, and hydrogen gas is bubbled at 1 atm pressure. This hydrogen gas is bubbled through this solution at 1 atm pressure. So why we used this platinum black? Generally this platinum black or platinum foil will absorb this gas. इस गैस को ये क्या कर लेगी? एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगी. So many time board has asked this question, what is the role of platinum black? So you will say it absorbs the hydrogen gas. ठीक है ना. जब ये हाइड्रोजन गैस को एब्जॉर्ब करेगी तभी इसका क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन होगा. देखो, नहीं तो ये बबल करके वैसे निकल जाएगी. हाइड्रोजन गैस जो थी उसने अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिए, यानी कि इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लिए गए. लेने के लिए रुकेगी ना, तभी तो लेंगे इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन. ऐसे कैसे हो जाएंगे? एंड द H पॉजिटिव आयन विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द सोल्यूशन, HCl है ना वहाँ पर, मीन इट हैज़ H पॉजिटिव आयन. वो अब क्या होंगे? वो हाइड्रोजन में बदल जाएंगे. एक्सचेंज हो गया स्टूडेंट. कैसे? हाइड्रोजन गैस तो बदल गई H आयन में और H आयन बदल गए H2 में. मीन द गैस विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू द इनसाइड is not coming out. Okay, generally HCl is converting into the hydrogen gas and hydrogen gas is converting into the HCl. Mean this is reversible cell. What is this? This is reversible cell. How is it reversible? It is reversible with respect to H ion. कैसे H ion बन रहे हैं और वही दूसरे H ion क्या हो रहे हैं? हाइड्रोजन गैस में बदल रहे हैं. So this is the reversible cell. Okay. And this cell has some limitations or drawback. What? Just read. Standard hydrogen electrode find difficulty in its preparation and usage. Therefore, the other reference electrode like Calomel electrode, Western also is there, but no name is not here. With different concentration is also used. So limitation or drawback is there. To handle the pressure of hydrogen gas at 180 MBAR is very difficult. So this is the drawback. Okay. So now very short definition is that What is the standard hydrogen electrode? Again I am telling you, listen carefully. When a hydrogen gas is bubbled through a solution of 1 molar HCl solution, then this gas adsorbed by the platinum foil, at which oxidation and reduction is also occurred, and this gas is come out in form of bubble. Okay, so here the standard reduction potential or oxidation potential of this cell comes out 0 volt. This is a standard hydrogen electrode and this is used to determine the reduction potential of unknown cell. अब कैसे भैया unknown cell होगा? Next topic, this is very very important. Measurement of the standard electrode potential. So student, look here carefully. First I took a standard hydrogen electrode cell to the right hand side. Okay, ये वो कॉपर वायर है जो बाहर आ रही थी, इसको हमने वोल्टमीटर से जोड़ दिया. एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आई एम टेकिंग दैट इलेक्ट्रोड हुज इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल इज टू बी determined. Okay, and I have connected both cell with the help of salt bridge. So what will happen? Oxidation will occur at left hand side and reduction will occur on right hand side. So what will happen, student? This zinc will lose its electron. This zinc will lose its electron, and these electron will come to the anode. Okay, sorry, cathode. And at this cathode, reduction will occur. Reduction of which ion? H positive ion. These H positive ion will be converted into H2 ion. And here oxidation will occur, whose zinc ion will be converted into zinc 2 positive ion. Okay, so there is a flow of electron from anode to cathode. Okay, so at the cost of these electron, ion from through the salt bridge come from an cathode to anode. Circuit complete हो जाएगा and it will give the constant voltage. Okay, it will give the constant voltage. And look here student, suppose this is giving the voltage of 0.76. वैल्यू कितनी है देखो यहाँ पर 0.76. And we know that EMF is the potential difference of cathode and anode. इनका डिफरेंस है. And you are getting this value as 0.76. एंड कैथोड जो होता है वो हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड वाला होता है और राइट हैंड साइड पर है आपका हाइड्रोजन. और अभी मैंने आपको ऊपर बताया इसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल होता है -0 वोल्ट. एंड एनोड का हमने रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल निकालना है, यानी कि जिंक का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल निकालना है. सो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ जिंक विल बी -0.76. हाउ मच? -0.76 वोल्ट. तो अब देखो अननोन इलेक्ट्रोड का मुझे मिला कि नहीं मिला, रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल मिल गया कि नहीं मिल गया. ऐसे ही हमने क्या करा, अब इस बार कॉपर को लिया. But student, yesterday I told you that if you will compare Ravichandra Ashwin with Virat Kohli, then you will say Virat Kohli will bat well. But when you will compare Ashwin with Ishant Sharma, then you will say Ashwin will bat better. Okay. So similarly, when I compared zinc electrode with hydrogen electrode, then I said oxidation will occur at zinc electrode and reduction will occur at hydrogen electrode. But when this hydrogen electrode is compared with the copper, then copper has good tendency to gain the electrode. So now hydrogen will get oxidized. Okay, here hydrogen was getting the reduced, here reduction was occurring. But when this hydrogen cell is connected with the copper, now copper has good tendency to gain the electron, so reduction will occur here. So oxidation will occur as hydrogen electrode. Okay, so now what will happen, student? This hydrogen cell will lose its electron. Okay, so what will happen? This hydrogen gas will be oxidized into 2H positive ion. And here copper from the solution will gain these 2 electron and will be deposited at cathode rod, और इसकी थिकनेस बढ़नी शुरू हो जाएगी. ठीक है ना? So electron are coming from left to right, that is anode to cathode, but through the salt bridge ions will come from cathode to anode. Circuit will be completed, and suppose there is a net flow of electron is 0.34 volt. How much, student? Look here, EMF of the cell is 0.34 volt. 0.34 volt. Okay, so this, what is EMF? EMF is the reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode, and it is producing the potential of 0.34 volt. And who is on cathode? Copper. इसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हमने फाइंड करना है. एंड हु इज ऑन एनोड? नाउ हाइड्रोजन शेल इज देयर, सो इट्स वैल्यू इज 0 वोल्ट. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ई कैथोड? इट इज 0.34 वोल्ट. ओके, सो ये आपकी जो वैल्यू आ गई है किसके आगे? कॉपर की हो गई. सो स्टूडेंट, वी टुक सो मेनी सेल and prepare a series, and this series, what is that series student? दोबारा बता देता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. हमने क्या किया, हाइड्रोजन सेल की हेल्प से जितने भी सेल थे, जैसे सिल्वर की रोड को हमने क्या डिप कर लिया, इधर देख लीजिए आप, यहाँ से समझ में आ जाएगा. हमने क्या करा, हाइड्रोजन सेल को एक साइड रखा, दूसरी साइड हमने जैसे जिंक को जिंक सल्फेट में डिप किया, सिल्वर को सिल्वर सल्फेट में डिप कर दिया, सोडियम को सोडियम सल्फेट में डिप किया, और इस तरह से जो ये हाफ सेल बने, इन सब का हमने रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल मेज़र कर लिया. और उस रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल को स्टूडेंट हमने क्या करा, एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर लिया. हमने क्या कर लिया, उसको एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर लिया. और वो ऑर्डर कैसा है स्टूडेंट? हमने इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल बना लिया. क्या कर लिया हमने, उन हाफ सेल का जो हाइड्रोजन सेल की हेल्प से मेज़र किए, हमने एक इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर बना लिया. और इस इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर को हमने कहा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज. हमने क्या कहा स्टूडेंट? इसको इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज, जो किसकी हेल्प से मेज़र हुआ है? हमारा हाइड्रोजन की हेल्प से हुआ है. देखो हाइड्रोजन का जो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल है वो यहाँ पर 0 वोल्ट दे रखा है, ये दे रखा है, ठीक है ना. तो हमने इसको दो हिस्सों में बांट लिया, कुछ ऐसे एलिमेंट जो अप साइड हैं और कुछ जो डाउन साइड है. सो द सीरीज विच इज ऑब्टेन्ड by arranging the reduction potential of different cell in increasing order, or you can say in decreasing order, this series is known as electrochemical series. So tomorrow we will discuss what is electrochemical series. हमने बहुत शॉर्ट में हमने 2-3 टॉपिक डिस्कस किए हैं स्टूडेंट. मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की हमने. सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में हम बीच में एक सॉल्ट ब्रिज लगाते हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे वो लिखते हैं जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है, और ऑक्सीडेशन के फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे लाइक जिंक इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू जिंक 2 पॉजिटिव. सपोज करो यू हैव सिल्वर, सो यू विल राइट सिल्वर इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू सिल्वर 2 पॉजिटिव. एंड ऑन राइट हैंड साइड you will write that electrode at which reduction is occurring. Like suppose copper है तो copper 2 positive is converting into copper. So ये थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान देंगे, ठीक है ना. This one. After that we discussed what is standard hydrogen electrode. This one is standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, standard hydrogen electrode. When a hydrogen gas is bubbled through a solution at 180 m pressure through a solution of 1 molar HCl solution, then its reduction potential come out at 0 volt. Okay, so this is standard hydrogen electrode. What is the application of standard hydrogen electrode and what is the use? Generally it is used to measurement of the reduction potential of unknown cell, unknown half cell. Okay, we will connect that unknown half cell with the hydrogen cell, and by using the EMF of the cell we will calculate its mean whose electrode potential is to be determined. Okay, and similarly we can also find the reduction potential of that cell whose reduction potential is higher than hydrogen, mean at which reduction will occur. Now we will put this cell on the right hand side. Okay, after that what is electrochemical series? हाइड्रोजन सेल की हेल्प से जो हमारे अननोन सेल थे सबका जो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल निकल गया, उसको हमने एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर दिया. इस ऑर्डर को हमने क्या कहा? इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज कहा. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. सो बाकी के टॉपिक हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज. ओके, गुड बाय.